Right, so I've got 5 elephant garlics here, which obviously don't look like they're shooting out from the top yet, which is fine. Just see a slight bud there, but from the bottom, they're definitely. So I'm going to put them into a bigger pot. I've made up a bit of coir mix with some perlite in it, and it's got feed in it as well.
When roots start growing on the bottom of the pot, the plant's already trying to tell you something.
So, tons of roots. Spread them about a bit because I don't want them just to keep growing round and around. Spread them out. Put a bit more mix around the top, and then just have the top of the elephant garlic popping out, and get them all done. And I'm going to try and keep the elephant garlic in the greenhouse, and then put them out. I don't know, February, March. I've got onions and garlic in the ground already, but no elephant garlic. So the price of the the bulbs that you have to buy, or I bought anyway, I'm gonna see if I can protect them by keeping them in the greenhouse until they're fully ready to grow out. But great root system. But because they're elephant garlic, they need a bigger pot now. So yeah, again. And yes, some of the roots will snap off, but don't be worried about that. They'll recover. They'll benefit from going into a new pot, and they'll love you for it. But don't bury the actual bulb. Keep that sticking out the top. Because like onions and garlic, they like to be in damp, but not saturated. If they're too wet, they'll just rot. But they don't want to be in dry soil. So what's everyone else overwintering? Is anybody else doing elephant garlic? Do you have yours planted outside, or are you keeping yours in the greenhouse like this? So it'd be great to hear in the comments anything like that. So you just move your hands around the pot. That breaks it up. Turn it upside down. It should come out quite nicely. And because the roots, you can see they've gone in like a spiral of the shape of the pot, obviously. You just want to break that up a bit. So the stalk going out sideways and as well as down and across. I'm doing lots of firsts this year. So this is the first time I've used coir. So it'll be good to hear as well in the comments. Does anybody else use coir? This is coir and it's got a bit of feed in it as well. What do people use? And the weather's been quite mild over the last 7 days. We had that period where in the UK there was lots of snow, hard frosts pretty much every day, and that's kind of gone away. It'll come back though, so I'm still prepared. So yeah, again, just ease the soil away from the side of the pot, turn it upside down, then I'll draw it out nicely, loosen the roots. Yeah, it'd be good to hear in the comments as well what's the weather conditions where you are, because I know not all my viewers are from the UK, people are from Australia and South Africa, and it's great to hear, because it's great to see the pictures of other people picking tomatoes and doing all the summer stuff, which obviously we'll do when the time's right. But it'd be good to hear what sort of temperatures people are experiencing. So there we go. So even though they're now going to be too big to put on those top trays. I'm going to keep them at the bottom here. So I've still got a little bit extra protection.
So that's them all potted out now, and this just goes to show that this same sort of root pressure is exactly why thinning and protection really matter, and that's what I'm going to be showing in the next upcoming videos. So if you can like and subscribe, that would be brilliant. Costs nothing but really helps us out, and I'll catch you in the next one.